Okay, take a look at these massive rhinos right here in Lusaka National Park. Take a look. This is big, guys. I've never seen a rhino this big. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Samson, the Roadman, and today guys I'm here at the Lusaka National Park, a very, very beautiful small national park right here in the city of Lusaka. Well, I should say that this particular national park is about 35 kilometers from Lusaka CBD. So this is a beautiful place where we are, and today we will be showing you different types of animals that are actually found in this particular national park. So there are some deers which you can find here. There are some rhinos, endangered species, which is called a rhino. Well, of course, not a white rhino, but these common rhinos, of course. So this is where we are, and if you're new here, kindly consider subscribing. Turn on the bell notification so that whenever I do post a new video, you guys won't miss like any single of my upload. My name is Samson, the Roadman. Let's get started. Yeah, so guys, we're here, and we're actually going to start our video from here today, but I'm not alone. I'm with Geoffrey here.
Geoffrey the Nomad.
Yes.
So guys, please consider subscribing to my channel.
Yeah.
As also continue supporting this man. He's doing a lot.
Thank you.
And you bring in the best and interesting content.
Yeah, sure.
So
yeah, let's walk into the park and show you guys what is available here. So
yeah,
come with us, let's go.
Yeah.
Right, okay guys, so here with me, Traveltainment.
Hey guys, what's up? Nice to be here. So if you live in Lusaka and you've never been to the Lusaka National Park, oh, you are missing out, guys. So you can come here. There are a lot of animals.
Yeah.
We have rhinos, the big ones. I'm talking about the rhinos, the giraffes. There are also elephants in this park.
Oh yeah.
So I mean, also there are picnic. There's a picnic area where you can come and do your brine. I was just talking to some officers here.
Okay.
They told me that you can come early.
Yeah.
Even as early as 6 hours, bring your meat. You find their braai stands, everything.
Nice.
You can chill from here while watching animals like impalas,
Yeah.
wildebeests, plenty zebras. They are all here, just within Lusaka. So Lusaka also has got a park. Yeah, within the city.
Yeah, amazing. And also the fees, entry fees. If you're a Zambian,
good.
Yeah, I think the entry
Zambians
fees, yes.
pay 22 kwacha,
Only.
15 ngwe.
Yeah.
Only.
So that is like half a dollar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just to come and
Oh, $1. Yeah,
enjoy.
$1 is
Yeah, should be.
about
Yeah,
24 kwacha.
actually,
So
$1.
slightly less than $1. That's how much you pay here, and your vehicle will only be paying 35 kwacha.
Yeah.
So you can go round. You can be from here up to 18 hours. Enjoy all manner.
Within the
here.
22 kwacha, imagine
Within
guys.
the 22 kwacha.
Okay, so it's very affordable. That's what
Very
we should say
affordable.
here.
Everyone can afford less than $1.
Definitely. And Geoffrey here, yeah, you guys, I'm sure you've heard from Geoffrey. Remember to subscribe to his channel. It's called Geoffrey the Nomad. Yeah. So go to his channel, check it out in the description of this video.
Nice.
Click there, subscribe, like whatever video that is posting. Amazing content is coming your way, especially that is traveling a lot within Zambia. So make sure that you check him out as well.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. Let's
Okay,
go.
guys. Quite the smallest park is big.
Maybe unless we do this.
So first, what kind of animals can we find?
Okay, here you find giraffes,
Okay.
impalas, there are that one they were showing. Even a lion, sometimes a lion tries to catch it, uses the horns.
Oh. No, not buffalo.
Leze kanyama keso kala sokora mumala. Na kyali
Not the water park, huh?
Yes.
State House.
Because you know, from Kaunda days, State House, there were impalas, there were zebras, there were, I believe, the giraffes as well. So what happened is that over time, these animals over multiplied,
Oh, yeah.
such that State House became congested with these animals. So what did they do? So when they created this one in the M-Fence, when they created this park, they thought of they thought, why don't we repatriate these animals since we can't eat them? And they are promised, that's how they donated them to Zawa.
We'll go around here.
And we got where we saw the water. Oh, this is free music, guys. You can use on YouTube.
Oh, yeah. Hey, guys. That's our first sighting there. Don't run away. Take a look at these two. Our first sighting. That's in Lusaka National Park. Yeah, they're just the two of them. Huh? Oh no, there are more. Can you see something there? Yeah, yeah. No. Sorry. Yeah, it's the same. And that one is big. Hey, very big. This one is coming. It has stopped. There are three of them. Oh, there, guys. What you can see. Right there. Nice. Oh man. Hey guys, you can see some wildebeest. How many are these? I think there are about 3 of them as well. Yeah. Can you see that one over there? Tiny buffalo. Small. It's wildebeest. Hey guys, we're here in the Lusaka National Park, and we've just seen 2 types of animals, the impalas and those wildebeest over there, the 3 of them. Okay, this is good. Let's continue moving around here. Okay. Hey guys, take a look. There's some rhinos over there. 2 big ones. You can see from there.
Most of the endangered
Hey.
species.
Hey.
Instead of press 1, 2 there.
Sorry?
1, 2. So instead of press 1, 2 there on the camera. Okay, 1, 2. There's a battle.
These are big, yeah?
Yeah,
Very fancy for this.
you've seen it's looking here. Exactly.
Oh, yeah.
Well, Africa port.
rhinos.
Hey, that's our third sighting, guys. Two
How many are there?
rhinos.
3 here, isn't it?
There are 3?
Oh, I thought behind this one is another one.
No, that's a big one.
Yes, there are 3.
There are 3?
Yeah.
Oh, there are 3. Oh, yeah. Because I was thinking it's 2 here. You see this.
Actually, come here is straight.
You have seen they are massive, but
Yeah. Especially this one.
Once you just provoke them. So,
like what is it?
that's a mohon,
Then
in
we
fact.
can really become dangerous.
Like
you see, guys.
to Madam using her AI, they are showing
Oh, yeah.
I've commented before. I said these guys have come to spoil. AI has destroyed everything.
Yeah.
You can't even, sometimes you can't tell what you do.
Yes, between AI and the real thing.
Even people who are working hard for content, it's now looking like
Hey, you see, guys, the beautiful rhinos over here. This is interesting, and this is very big. Look at this one. Actually, I've never seen a rhino this big.
This one is trying to say.
Oh, yeah. This one is ready for fighting.
This one is fighting.
Okay, you can see.
Not Mulibes. Now Mulibes you
Guys.
can. Just stand back here without the proper view of this. Yeah, so have you ever heard this one they use it so
Okay, take a look at these massive rhinos right here in Lusaka National Park. Take a look. This is big, guys. I've never seen a rhino this big. Look at that. Amazing. And the other one is coming. Take a look. Wow. Rhino. Can you see? Hey. It's turning. Oh, take a look at that one, guys. Massive rhino. Massive rhino. It has gone back. Wow. Wow, that's big.
it came for us to see.
Yeah, it came to showcase. Okay, wow.
Okay, let me shoot from
Oh, and they're leaving now. Hey, take a look. Rhinos. Amazing, amazing. Can you see, guys, the beautiful rhinos over there? 2 big rhinos in the Lusaka Museum. No, not Lusaka Museum. This is actually the Lusaka National Park, the smallest park that we have in Zambia. Look at that. Look at that. Can you see, guys, from here? Take a look. Take a look. 2 big rhinos. Beautiful. Amazing. Hey guys, take a look. That's the 4th sighting in the Lusaka National Park. And you can see these are wildebeest right here. They're quite a lot. Can I count? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I think they're about 14 or 15. Ah, interesting. Yeah. Can you see, guys? The wildebeest. They're right there. Yeah. These are more like a small version of a buffalo. A buffalo, guys. Interesting, huh? Okay, so you guys keep watching so that we show you more right in the Lusaka National Park, where we are here, you know. And yeah, so far so good. What we've seen, I think I've enjoyed. But yeah, let's move around. We keep showing you guys what we can. Let's go. Hey, take a look. The 5th sighting, the zebras, 3 of them. There we go. Yeah. Okay. Zebras are supposed to be together with the giraffes. Where are the giraffes? You can see, guys, the zebras. Yeah. Okay. Nice. That's our 5th sighting for today. Let's hope we see more. Let's go. There you go. You can see the zebras there. Oh, they're going far. Disappearing. Lots of impalas here, guys. More impalas. Okay. You can see them there. That's, what is that?
I keep on forgetting to keep the
That's
Oh, so that you just press it and record.
oh, there we go, guys. You can see that one.
Green.
Oh yeah.
The trees, the grass.
Alright, guys, so yeah, if you're new here, kindly consider subscribing. We are just checking out the beautiful animals in the Lusaka National Park, which is the smallest national park that we have here. And so far we've seen quite a number of animals. Quite interesting.
Out of,
Yeah.
I also have a target to visit all the national parks in Zambia. But
Oh,
I've
yeah.
done like maybe 10.
Ah,
I've
okay.
done half.
Me, I've only been to which national park? The Mosotunya. And which one is in Kafue?
Oh, Kafue
Yes.
National Park, the largest park, second largest in Africa.
This one, is that in Kafue National? Yeah, I think it's called, yeah, it's part of Kafue National Park. seen an eagle. There it goes.
Oh, this one.
Yeah, yeah, I saw it.
Okay. It's one of my dreams to one day to just hunt an eagle. Just get an eagle and then embalm it nicely, put it in the sitting room. Just to enjoy that and put it the way they
Souvenir,
yeah, a souvenir. Put it in a flight mode.
Yeah.
And then just allow it to just remain there. The way people do for lions and so forth. Or the way they make the president to have those elephant tusks. Yeah.
One day the eagle just go to the lake
Oh yeah.
Then you just go and hunt one.
where there are big dams.
Yeah,
There
yeah.
is no water in the whole place, and there is one dam. You go there. And 11, 12, you find one.
That's why I want to buy my.
So, but what's the experience so far?
This was really nice. Actually. It's actually really my first time seeing all the animals. This one.
These are the ones we saw that side. The one which was lonely.
Impara.
Oh, you can see there are quite a lot here.
Quite a lot.
They are called.
These are white
Deers,
spots.
not deers.
Yes, it is. This is a deer.
Yes, yes.
These are deer.
These are deer.
Yeah.
Where's your phone? Where's your phone?
Okay, you can see guys some deers here.
The deer farming.
Yeah. Yeah, that's it.
Amazing.
These are deers.
Where else do you from?
Take a look.
What a so interesting trip. Where
Imagine.
And I can see there's that big, very big one there. There, guys. Can you see? Yeah, these with the black, white spots are deers. Yes. Alright guys, thank you so much for coming back to the channel. Hope you guys have found value from what we were able to share with you today. And if you have, please remember to like the video, subscribe and share. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye, take care of yourselves. Love you guys.